Welcome to our detailed review of the TRENDBOX 14430 3.2V 450mAh LiFePo4 rechargeable batteries, an 8-pack designed specifically for outdoor solar lights and other low-power devices. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about these batteries, from their specifications and performance to compatibility and value. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the specifications. Each battery is a lithium iron phosphate LiFePo4 cell with a nominal voltage of 3.2 volts and a capacity of 450 mAh. The physical dimensions are a height of 1.7 inches and a diameter of 0.55 inches, making them a 14430 size. It's crucial to note that these are shorter by about 1/5 inch compared to standard AA or 14500 batteries, and they are not interchangeable with NIMH 1.2 volts or standard Li-ion 3.7 volt cells. Always verify size and voltage before purchasing. These batteries are an excellent choice for solar garden lights, toothbrushes, shavers, home security systems, digital cameras, and wireless mice or keyboards that require a 3.2 volt power source. With a recharge life of over 1,500 cycles, you can expect 3 to 6 years of reliable service, depending on usage. They are energy efficient and environmentally friendly, making them a sustainable option for your outdoor lighting needs. In our testing, the TRENDBOX 14430 batteries performed admirably. When fully charged, they delivered a stable 3.2 volts output with minimal voltage drop under load. In a typical solar light application, they provided bright illumination for up to 8 hours per night after a full day of charging in direct sunlight. The built-in protection circuit ensures safe operation, preventing overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits. One important thing to remember is that these are not replacements for standard AA or AAA batteries due to voltage differences. They are specifically designed for devices that require 3.2 volts LiFePo4 cells. If your solar light or device uses 1.2 volts NIMH or 3.7 volt Li-ion batteries, these will not work and may cause damage. Overall, the TRENDBOX 14430 8-pack offers great value for anyone needing reliable, long-lasting power for their outdoor solar lights or compatible devices. The high cycle life, consistent performance, and environmental benefits make them a smart choice. We highly recommend checking your device specifications before ordering. Thank you for watching our review. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews and energy-saving tips.